Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the LAMTTO RC14XB smart screen. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, this is the LAMTTO RC14XB smart screen. This is a 9.26 inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and it comes with a built-in camera, front and rear camera, so it works like a dash cam. And for this one, has voice controls, touchscreen, GPS, and it says here 4 ways of sounds, basically built-in speaker. You can connect it to your aux, you can go to your FM, or if you have Bluetooth. This is actually made for older cars that doesn't have touchscreen or CarPlay. Okay, again, this is made for older vehicles that doesn't have an updated head unit. Okay, so again, this will be very helpful, very cost effective if you're gonna use it, and if you're using CarPlay, or if you want to use CarPlay, okay, then it will support Siri or Google Assistant while you are driving. So touchscreen resolution on this one, it says 16 by 600, and it says HD capacitive touchscreen makes the screen more sensitive and smooth. Again, this is from LAMTTO. It's available at Amazon. If you're interested purchasing this, I'll put the link on the description below. So again, packaging, it's good. It is padded, so it has some protection in there. It got some plastic in here. This packaging here, the one that covers it, it is enough. It's kind of thin though, but I guess it's enough. It's gonna be double box anyway, so make sure if you're gonna order this, make sure that you get it double box. So the way you're gonna install this, basically it's gonna be sticking on your dash, okay, or I think there's a mount on this one. So yeah, so here's the camera. So it got the front dash cam attached in here, okay, and I believe there will be an SD card for this one. So yeah, so it has an SD card here on the side. It comes with an SD card, if we can get it out. There you go. It's out and it flew away. So it comes with a 64GB generic micro SD card. So if you want to upgrade this one to something else, you are free to do so. Okay, has a USB Type-C connection in here. Got some other connection, so 3.5mm, and there's one more connection in here, which is smaller. I don't know what that is for. Probably we can check the user guide on this. So what else do we have here in the box? There's a lot of accessories on the box. Okay, so of course we got a user manual. Again, with the hardware, this is nice. So there's a suction cup in here. If you want to mount it on your windshield, you can do so. Okay, got the cigarette lighter, so auxiliary power, and it has a pass-through for USB. So USB Type-C again, and we got this base, basically where you want to, if you want to stick it on your dash, you can just stick this on your dash and then use the suction cup to attach it. All right, we also have our, okay, so that other hole in there, that is for the rear camera. So if you want to use this as a rear camera, a reverse cam, it works as a reverse cam. you can plug this in, okay? And then if you see this red wire, this connects to your reverse power source. So it's either on your reverse gear or your reverse light. The best way to connect this is tapping into your reverse light to activate the reverse camera. Okay, so what else do we have? We have some pry tool, we have some extra adhesive in here, and we got this 3.5 TRS. Basically, this is an audio jack. Very nice. So this will be very helpful. We got some cable management clips in here. Again, this will be very helpful. So we're gonna demo this one, okay? I think we can just connect this on my power bank, which should power this on, I hope. And then we're gonna connect my phone to it. All right, so be right back. All right, so let's set this up. Okay, so let's put it to English. Started recording already. Okay, so that's how it looks like. We're gonna connect our phone to it. Okay, so now I'm on my phone here, and let's try to connect it. Okay, so let's go CarPlay, and it will give you the instruction how to use CarPlay. So it says let's go to our Bluetooth on our phone, and we need to find something. So it will be there. I think it's the T86 Pro, which says in there. Okay, so let's just connect it, and it gives you the pin to pair. So I'm not gonna do that. If you want to, you can. So let's connect Bluetooth, or let's connect to CarPlay, and it should connect. There you go. So it shows basically my CarPlay settings on it. So I have my garage door in here, we have our maps. Okay, so we have our home screen. That's nice. So we can take this away. Okay, and we can start playing music if you want to. But again, this is very nice. It is responsive. My fingers are a little sticky, but yeah, it is nice. Awesome. So it has that assistive touch. So let's go to Spotify. Well, we'll play some non-copyright music. All right, so we're going to play Stream Beats. So it has a built-in music or speakers on it. So again, you can connect this to your own speaker in your car using 3.5 millimeter jack, Bluetooth basically, and then through FM transmitter. So it has a built-in FM transmitter on, so you can connect that. So that's gonna be helpful. So let's see if, let me check here. So let's go there. So there you go. If you see that Bluetooth music, then it will search for, oh, it says this, it will disconnect first on CarPlay. So let's see, what else do we have? So here, our speaker. So Bluetooth audio, basically it requires you to disconnect on your CarPlay. Okay, and then FM, this is the FM transmitter. Then just tune in on your stereo. Again, this is made for older cars, but if your old car got an auxiliary jack, you can use this. Just connect the audio jack from this one to your car, and you'll have audio to your car speakers, and you'll have this screen on. And then to access your camera, just press that, and you'll have your dash cam. So it records 4K. So it's record 4K in here. And if you want to record your audio on your dash cam, you can do so. You can take pictures. Okay. If you want to lock the video, you can do so. Then you can stop the recording if you want to stop the recording. So again, set up the date. You can set that up. Okay. Let's go home, settings, and here you have your settings: assistive touch, screensaver, or if you're left or right-handed, split screen mode. You can adjust the brightness. It is on auto right now. You can actually adjust the range of the brightness on auto mode. Camera, so you can set up the record resolution in here: 2.5K, 4K, 1080p, or 720p. Segment duration, basically this is the files that you're recording. 1 minute file, that's usually what I do. Basically it should be enough, and it's easy to transfer smaller files if you just need a certain portion. Collision sensitivity, this is set to middle, and that is basically on bumps if you got into an actual collision. So medium will be perfect for that. So microphone, that is turned on, so it is recording all of the audio in the car. Okay, rear mirror image, basically once you connect that, it's up to you how you want to set that one up. Parking mirror, it's off, or parking monitor is off. That is basically if you want it hardwire, then you can do so. You just have to buy it separately. And reverse line calibration, basically you need to adjust this on your liking. Okay, so yeah, so again, this one, it is very nice, very responsive. Yeah, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. It will be very helpful. Again, on older cars that doesn't have a screen, this will be a cost-effective way to have CarPlay in your car. All right, so yeah, so hope you find this video helpful. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.